Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be carving up a blue heron with a fish. This is a black walnut log. The plan is to carve everything out of one piece, except for the fish. The fish is going to be a separate piece we'll add, but the goal is to carve this whole thing out of this single walnut log. I'll tell you, carving walnut is kind of a pain in the butt. It's on the hardwood scale. Gotta sharpen the saws more, gotta go a bit slower than when we're carving pine. And that makes it a pain, but at the same time, it makes it nice because it forces you to slow down. So I am creating this black walnut series or collection of carvings for an event September 7th through the 8th, 2024. The event is in upstate New York, Blue Mountain Lake, New York, at the Adirondack Experience, also known as the Adirondack Museum. You guys can Google what it's all about, but it's the Rustic Furniture Fair at the Adirondack Experience and in Blue Mountain Lake, New York, September 7th through the 8th. Now, this event has a lot of amazing builders and artists. They set up, usually it's pretty high-end stuff, and people come through and make purchases and admire the work as well. I'll have furniture there this year along with 5 walnut carvings. So I'll have a video for each carving here once they're all complete. As I complete them, I'll upload them. And I'm also going to be creating a black walnut carving playlist. That way there you guys can go back and watch them all if you'd like. I really do appreciate everybody watching though and supporting my videos and my channel. It's really been awesome. You know, I've been carving since 2015. And pretty much started doing YouTube when I started carving, and just kind of have brought you guys along for that whole journey. And I've created how-to videos along the way, along with time-lapse and custom orders and things like that. And honestly, it's been great. Again, if you guys are here, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment on the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all so you guys don't miss future uploads or lives when we carve live together. You guys can always support the channel by becoming a member. Big shout out to everybody that currently does that. I really do appreciate you guys. You can also buy channel merch. Check out that shop tab below. Go there, grab a shirt, hoodie, whatever it may be, and help support the channel that way, plus rock some merch. Be sure to watch to the end to get a nice close-up of the final piece. Here it is, guys. The blue heron carved out of black walnut. Carved a little fish out of cherry barrel to stick in his mouth. I think I'm gonna epoxy that in still, but come out pretty good. Pretty happy with this piece. Did some airbrush work. A little green, but we left the heron natural black walnut color with the darks and the sapwood. Took the airbrush, did a little bit of highlighting around the feathers so they'd pop. Let me know what you guys think about this piece. If you haven't already, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all. Turn on YouTube notifications so you guys don't miss future uploads or lives. Been working on these walnut carvings live here and there. Appreciate you guys watching. Check out some videos popping up. Have an awesome day.